Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for December 2014. Merry Christmas Geminians. We begin this month with three planets, Mercury, Sun and the beautiful Venus, and they are in Sagittarius. They're going to be activating a part of your chart that has to do with relationships, it has to do with marriage, it has to do with partnership. Now this is a time when we begin December, you're going to be weighing pros and cons of each and every issue, and you're going to be very conscious about others' needs as well. There is going to be some indecisiveness as far as your relationships are concerned, but this could also be because you're simply entertaining opposing viewpoints. There is also a strong desire to cooperate with others during this time, Geminians. And I think during this time, a lot of you will be needing a need for a partner more intensely during this month, and you would prefer to go with a partner rather than go solo, which I think is a fantastic thing. And you are going to be, with Sun also being there, you're going to be quite happy bouncing off ideas, planning, and I think your partner is also going to be sort of mirroring you, so you're going to be quite happy. It's quite a nice time, a nice period for you when we begin the month. During this time also, Geminians, you're going to be focusing on balancing your personal interest and objectives with social life and those of your partner. You're going to be very conscious about emphasizing what you do together. It's going to be more of a we thing and not a me thing for you. And you're going to be needing a lot of support of your partner, and you're going to be quite liking it. I think a lot of you are going to be leaning quite on your partner this time. However, there could be some diplomacy that could be required out of you. Try not to be sort of in all love and fairness and everything. Try not to say things which are quite sharp and hurtful. Try and stay diplomatic as much as that you can. You could be quite popular as far as your family, immediate and your extended family is concerned, Gemini, and it seems that you will be quite busy with socializing with your family, extended family, and with your close friend. A lot of you are also going to be quite busy doing counseling, negotiating with partners and with your closest friends around this time. This is also a time wherein that you can use the power of words to advise others or to make peace with people in your life, Geminians. Now we have Jupiter that is going retrograde from December 8th, and Jupiter is a planet of expansion and is a planet of opportunity and brings about a lot of positivity and bounce. However, he is going retrograde and he is in a part of your chart that has to do with communication, and this is your own, you rule this particular house, Geminians, and this also has to do with lower mind. It has to do with communication, interactions with the immediate environment, siblings, early environment, neighbors, thoughts, short trips, writing, speaking, how it is that you formulate your thoughts, language skills, media and communication. And retrograde of Jupiter is just going to sort of limit you a bit, and you could find yourself not being able to maybe express yourself. You could find that you are not able to communicate yourself as expressively as you could otherwise, or maybe you're not being very articulate over this time. Jupiter, however, traditionally was looked upon every time, not just Jupiter, sorry, every time a planet went retrograde, it was looked upon as having a very negative or quite a crippling effect on an individual's life. But whenever a planet goes retrograde, it's just moving you inward, so the energy is all inside, it's no longer outside. So it has to do with more looking, pausing and seeing and taking stock of things. It's called revising, replanning, re-looking at things that you have done so far. And because it has to do with your communication, be careful about the kind of how it is that you have been communicating so far, maybe with a partner, and does it need to change, and how it is that you talk to others, and maybe you need to be more diplomatic, or maybe you need to be more nicer. And this is a time wherein that while you will feel quite confident about your relationships and about your interactions with other people, but since it is The energy is all internal. It's not a right time to be initiating a new dialogue. So if you're those of you who have been wanting to make great pitches or grand some negotiations or conversations or starting new conversations, projects, it has to do all with media and PR. It's not a great time where the kind of effect that you're looking for, that you will get it around this time. So just hang on, let the retrograde get over. Jupiter also says that it doesn't mean that if it's on a retrograde that the opportunities that are given to you and you don't grasp them. So the idea also is of Jupiter to sort of make you think inside of, maybe there are some opportunities that you have just let them slide. So give lot of things a thought. Uranus is go now. While Jupiter slowed down things, Uranus is going to get active, who's going to go direct on December 21st, and Uranus is our bad boy of astrology. So he comes and shakes things up. He's also known as the awakener, and this is affecting a part of your chart that is going to be affecting your friendships. And his Uranus loves to party, so he likes to be in this house. So he's going to come and just pick up your social circle, and you could be changing your social circle right now, Geminians. A lot of you could be meeting new and unusual people, and you could join a group as well that is quite dedicated to either metaphysics or something which is absolutely non-mainstream topic for you. You could also be drawn to people who are free-spirited at this point of time. Friendships that are stodgy or limiting could be left behind. A lot of you Geminians during this time, I think, and this trend again has been there for you for the last 6 months. You're not going to get, and I think it's a good thing, because I think half your life, most of you have been so politically correct that you forget to be you. And this is the time where the fear has gone. For the last 6 months, it's been building up, and you're looking at people for who and how they are. You're no longer worried about tags, designation. It doesn't bother you. And now is a time where it's just that absolute freedom. You're looking at people for, even if they're unique, unusual, and you're seeing the beauty in it. And I think it's a fantastic thing for you, Geminians. And you will have the strong ability to appreciate people for who they are, from within. What is it that they're radiating, and not get to, like earlier you would have, I would say some couple of years back, you would be somebody who was really worried about someone's designation or home address or where they lived or what they wore or which car they drove. And this change for you in the last 6 months has, I think, somewhere it's also lifted a fear of defining yourself, as well as to not being typecasted in a box, Geminians. And there's just a sense of this freedom, and you're going to be quite happy about it. So great going. Overall, a good month, Geminians. Like I said, the need for a partner is going to be quite acute when we begin the month, and it's just the need to, whether it's exchanging of ideas or being on the plane with the same person. And when I'm saying partner, does not necessarily mean your husband or someone that you're married to, but it can be someone who is with someone whom you really connect on a deeper level, someone with whom you can really share your ideas, and someone who just makes you feel very alive. Lovely speaking with you, Geminians. Have a lovely December. I'll see you again next year, and thank you so much for watching.